Hi, I'm Jesse Keenan. I'm here with a client, Mark. Mark, you know, tell the people a little bit about what happened in our experience?
Yeah, so my house that I've been in for about 2.5 years got behind. Life happens.
Things happen.
Things happen. Tried to work some stuff out with the bank, make some payments. Turns out the bank won't really work with you unless you have every single cent that is owed on the house. And let's start over.
In full. That's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. They want payment in full.
Yeah, they want payment in full. You can't say, I'll give you a month and a half of the mortgage and then catch it up. It's either the full amount or nothing. And things get behind. They don't accept it. They send your checks back. You try to call them and work with them. They say, let's get you to our loss mitigation team. They send you some letters. Have you fill out some paperwork? They say they're going to work with you. And next thing you know, you get a public notice that your house is up for sale, and that's where Jesse actually came to my door. Some of his employees came to my door and was like, hey, we see that your house is going up for sale. Is there something we can do to help you? And at that point, I had pretty much given up, and I was like, hey, let's see what his team can do. After that, worked with him, sat down, met him at his office. This was at like 6 o'clock on a Wednesday, last minute.
How long ago was that anyway? From now? That was like about 8 months ago?
That was about 8 months ago.
About 8 months ago.
Last year, within, 4 to 5 days, we were able to contact the bank, get the amount, work with Jesse's team, and stop the foreclosure within a week of it going up for public auction.
Yeah, so if I recall, I believe we gave you some money then, and we gave you some money now as you're actually moving out. And the reason why Mark had to stay, he has kids, and he needed to stay in the house for a while. So you didn't get foreclosed on. You can still build on your credit and what have you. You handled it, and I don't know what else to say here, man. This is kind of winging this.
He was able to when we first inked the deal, he was able to give me some cash because obviously I was behind in my house. Allowed me to stay here. I have a child, so it's not like we could just kind of go and live in my car as if it were myself. I was fortunate enough to be able to stay here, take care of everything until we got the move out, and he was able to get me some more cash at the end of it. And I mean, it sounds like it was a win-win for everybody in that case. Preventing the house from foreclosure and having that on my credit report, Jesse team really stepped in to take care of that.
Thanks, Mark.
Appreciate it.
Have a good day, buddy.
You too.
Thank you. I don't know what to do. That's it.